So, hello champ. I hope you are doing well. So, I have recorded one video earlier, but to compensate that thing that I have missed a video yesterday, so I'm just recording here and I'll upload it by soon. So you can see the views around me, the background. It's quite good, I guess. Some birds are here, which I'm looking at them continuously, and one boy just gazing at me that what I'm doing here. But let them think what they are thinking. We are here to do our duty, and yeah, definitely this is our duty. We have to think in that way that everything that we are doing for ourselves is our duty. Then we will grow. We don't have to think about the people's mindset. People mindset. I think people is plural itself. Yeah. So we don't have to think about people mindset. They can think in their own way. If some of them are like you can say what stereotype people, then we can't fix their mindset, because we are not here to fix the mindset of the people. We can just only tell them our ideas, our opinion about anything, and rest is all upon them, that what they are thinking, how they are taking our ideas, how they are taking our everything. So it's it's all up to them that whether they are taking our things in a positive manner or not. So let's talk about my exam. And before exam, yeah, definitely I must say that I have given my everything. I have given my everything to this paper. Yeah, I due to my job and all, I didn't got that much time to study, but still I have sacrificed myself for last 3 days. I have no idea that what I have done to me, because that was a crazy thing that I have done. And kind of this is kind of a motivation factor for me, definitely for an upcoming days and upcoming challenges that I will face. But I want to be honest with you all guys, that still I am facing a problem. The thing is that I am not able to retain the things that I studied. Like I'm not like you. I'm not the person like you who just read the PDF or let's say any PPT, and they are just well aware that they are just well prepared for the exam. I have to study so hard just to grab a single concept. I don't know why it is happening with me, but I want to fix it by soon, because some concept that which can be understandable by any random person will take only 5 minutes. It will take for me even 1 hour. And after all these happenings, it is not pretty sure that in the exam time I will be able to retain that thing. So I think definitely some messages are being sent by God to me, that you have to be patient, you have to trust your work and all. But yeah, my duty is just to do my hard work, so I'm doing that thing. I must say one more thing, that I could have do much better. I could have do much better than what I have done in my exam, because I have given all my things for last 3 days, and you can sense by my voice and all. Yeah, today is the weather is so pretty, so that's why it gives me quite energy. I haven't slept. Like if I will tell you that how many hours I have slept in the last 3 days, then it is around 6 or 6. Definitely 6 or 5 maybe. Because the last day, like yesterday, I haven't slept even a single minute. So I think I'm entering in my zone. So that's a pretty good sign. But we have to keep our health as a priority too. But we can do either one thing, that either we can compromise with our health and get everything that all we want, all we have dreamed for ourselves, or second thing is that we can enjoy in a bhog vilas manner, and we don't have to think that much about our goal. And if it will bound to get by me, then we will definitely get it for sure. We don't have to think in that way now. We have to grab it. We have to grab it, because no one will give you. No one will give you. You have to take it by your own. I think that's enough for today's video. Yeah, but I am quite tensed about my returning skills, that how can I able to manage the things then in concept way. This is the problem that I'm facing through my school days as well, because I used to be like a scholar student, and the reason is not my the reason behind this was not my my returning skills. The reason behind this, that I was holding a tag of a scholar student, was my hard work, my passion towards my persistence, my everything that I have done in a disciplined manner throughout my studies and all. So this is what I have taken that word of a scholar, topper sometimes in my school, in my college as well. But the thing is that I need to address something in a pretty serious manner, that why it is getting happen and how can I fix it. And how can I fix it? I have to address it soon, because it is too pensive moment for anyone. It is too pensive moment for anyone. Just think about that boy who can get a single concept for 5 minutes or maybe 10 minutes, and just think about that boy who can easily who can not even be assured in themselves that they will get the concept by studying 1 hour straight of a single topic. And I am in that category. I don't know why it is happening. So yeah, it is the serious matter which I want to discuss with you. If you have any idea, please do let me know in the comment section. I will definitely do it for sure, if I will feel that it will worth it. Through this word, signing off.